I'm Karamat, and I've spent decades collecting knowledge that I'm finally ready to share with you. From these bookshelves behind me to the experiences I've gathered over the years, I'm here to break down complex topics into digestible insights. Whether it's history, science, or life lessons, we'll explore it together. So subscribe and join me on this journey of discovery. Let's learn something new today.
अल्लाह किया करो, तुम न किसी को